viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you a site in which you can be earning free Litecoin directly to your Faucetpay account, and when you've reached the minimum on your Faucetpay account, you'll be transferring them directly to your Trustwallet account without any investment of any kind. And when I mean no investment, I mean no money coming from your own side. So guys, if you know you like what I'll be doing on this channel, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called horrible.net. So guys, the link to this video is going to be in the description box below. So when you click on the link in the description box below, it's going to be taking you to this site. All you need to do is to click on these three lines which is over here, and when you click on it, you're going to be clicking on this place which says faucet. Now when you click on the faucet, you're going to be seeing, so guys, this is not only just Litecoin you can earn on this site, you can earn so many cryptocurrencies on this site. But in this video I'm going to be showing you on Litecoin. So when you click on Litecoin over here, it's going to be opening the Litecoin faucet, which is this. So all you need to do is to enter your Faucetpay email address in which you use in registering your Faucetpay. Input your Faucetpay email address over here. So when that is done, all you need to do is to click on this login/register. So guys, when you've logged into the site, as you can see over here, you can claim 528 Satoshi every 5 minutes directly to your Faucetpay account. So all you need to do, since we've been logged in, to click on claim faucet, which is over here, this. And when you click on claim faucet, it's going to be showing you some captcha to solve. I'm going to put in this in the correct order as it is shown here, as you can see. So the first is cheese, bread, cookie and candy. Now you verify that you are human and not robot, and after that is done, you go ahead and click on the verify, which is down below here. And when you click on verify, you are going to be verified and your cryptocurrency will be sent directly to your Faucetpay account. As you can see over here, your Faucet claim of 528 Satoshi has been sent to your Faucetpay account. So guys, this is how you can earn free cryptocurrency on horrible.net. So guys, we're going to edit our So guys, as you can see over here, just going to refresh our wallet. So guys, as you can see, our reward has successfully landed. 528 Satoshi of Litecoin has been sent directly to our Faucetpay account. So guys, this is how you can earn free Litecoin on this site directly to your Faucetpay account. And when you've reached the minimum of Faucetpay, you can send them directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, in the next 3 minutes we are going to be claiming again. So guys, this is how you can claim every 5 minutes directly to your Faucetpay account. So guys, if you love this video and you enjoy what I've been doing on this channel, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.